You know, there really is nothing that comes close to the Republic. We got everything for every outdoor sports. It was right there to be used, and we're only guests. But with your help, we can take it to the next level. And this is where that all begins, the BMX Area 52. Show me what you got. Nice moves. Keep going. When we found the place, it was a ruin, but pieces by pieces, Republic style, we shaped a BMX park like no other. All the heavy hitters want in on it, and we're welcoming them with open arms. Red Bull, bands, and of course, our very own Ridge TV event. I'm getting calls from so many people who want to come here and put on the biggest show the BMX world has seen. We're taking the Republic into the stratosphere with this place. Want to get a feel for it? Don't forget your tinfoil hat.